my channel. Thanks so much for coming to watch my video. Before we get started, don't forget to thumbs up as well as subscribe if you'd like more fun hair videos like this one. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this high pony look. It was my second time doing this look and I learned a lot the first time I did this look, so I wanted to go ahead and make a video of it, just a little quick video. This is super on trend. So many influencers are rocking this hair look, including celebrities such as Jordyn Woods and a bunch of other celebrities. The high pony is so in this summer, so I decided to go ahead and give it a go, and I love the way it came out. All of the products will be listed down in the description box. Enjoy the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Okay guys, time to tame this thick hair. So I start off by doing my baby hairs first and foremost. I am using Style Factor's Edge Booster. I love this stuff. I actually use this to create my ponytail as well. So I'm just going through and doing my baby hairs. Nothing out of the ordinary. But let me tell you, I love this Style Factor Edge Booster. This stuff is life. So I'm actually using Murray's on my hair right here. It's a pomade and I didn't want to use anything water-based on my hair to stop my hair from reverting back. I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail and I'm going to apply more of that Style Factor Edge Booster all on my hair, like all over the place, you guys. And then I'm going to use a bristle brush and brush it as good as possible. I'm going to put it into one more ponytail and apply some Got to Be Glued Blasting Freezing Spray on my baby hairs and on the front of my hair just to hold it down even more. And then I'm going to put it in its last and final ponytail. I'm making sure it's all nice and tight here. I'm applying a little bit more edge booster and I'm applying my ponytail holder. My ponytail holder was so just messed up. You guys, please, if you're doing this, don't do it on a whim like I did. Actually get the products that you need, because I also didn't have a scarf. So here you guys actually see me using a torn up pillowcase. So for my ponytail, I found that it was best if I wet my hair with some conditioner and water, created two separate braids, and then twisted those braids together to make it more manageable. So that's exactly what I did. I'll be applying 2 bundles of Brazilian deep wave hair, and this is where I really want to slow it down for you guys. I'm applying the longest bundle first. I'm twisting my hair up. And then you're going to take the very end of that bundle and you're going to secure it onto your ponytail, the end of your ponytail. So you're going to take the rubber band and you're going to wrap them together in the rubber band. I'm trying to go as slow as possible for you guys. I'm sorry that it's a little bit blurry, but it gets clearer later on in the video. So you're going to secure it as tight as possible with the rubber band, and then you're going to begin wrapping that track around your braid or your twist. For me, it's a twisted braid, but you're going to slowly and securely wrap that track around your braid, and you're going to wrap it up toward the base of your ponytail. When you get to the base of your ponytail, you're going to have the other end of that bundle, and it's going to be a piece of hair, and you're going to go ahead and wrap that strand of hair around in a circle around your ponytail as tightly as possible, but don't hurt yourself. Now you can actually skip this next step if you want to and just use one bundle, but I'm going to go in with a second bundle to make it more full and more dramatic. So you're actually going to do something similar with this bundle. Take the end of the bundle and wrap it around that first bundle in your ponytail until it's nicely secured. And then you're just going to wrap this bundle around the base of your ponytail. And when you get to the end of this bundle, you're going to go ahead and do the exact same step again. You're going to take the end strand of this bundle and wrap it around in a circle around your ponytail, and it's going to be so much fuller. It's going to give you so much life, just like it gave me life. And then to finish off this hairstyle, I actually take a few strands of the hair and I go ahead and wrap them around just so that it goes into a nice little style. So I wrap them around the base of the ponytail and I secure them in the back. And yeah guys, that's my high curly ponytail tutorial. I love this hairstyle because it's a perfect natural protective style, and it's definitely my new go-to hairstyle for a while now. As you can see, I was feeling myself. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys.